Arisi Vadai, made of yogurt and rice flour. This one is definitely something unique for your tea time. Watch grandmother approved Malaysian Indian recipes and tips. You're watching The Spice Table. Arisi Vadai. Ingredients. You will need rice flour, yogurt, cumin, black pepper, red onion, small green chillies, ginger, and coriander leaves. Now let's start by chopping the onions into small pieces. Finely chop the coriander, green chillies, and now we're going to grate a small piece of ginger. Next, we have black pepper and cumin. This gives a delicious aroma for the vadai, so roughly pound them. In a bowl, add the rice flour, coriander leaves, green chillies, onions, and our grated ginger paste. Add in the dry spices, pour in the yogurt, now we will add 1 cup of water and give everything a good mix. If the batter starts sticking to the spoon, you can switch to a whisk like this. Once nicely mixed, add in enough salt to your taste and give it another mix. In a very low flame, pour in the batter and keep mixing non-stop for 15 to 20 minutes until the batter becomes thick. Your batter is ready when it stops sticking and forms into a rough ball like this. Transfer the batter into a bowl and set that aside to cool for at least 15 minutes. When we were doing this, it smelled so fragrant, especially with the yogurt in the batter. You will enjoy this part. Moving on, let's prepare coconut chutney to dip our Arisi Vadai in. You can watch the full video in the previous episode. Right, our chutney is ready. Now let's start making our vadais. Wet your hands either with oil or water, form it into balls, pat it down, and then make a hole with your finger in the center. Don't worry, it's not gonna stick. We tried. Now let's heat some oil in a wok and deep fry until it becomes golden brown on both sides. At least 4 to 5 minutes. Enjoy!